You have been suffering for this thing called B and P for so long now. You have tried all you could. You have resorted to swallowing. Every morning swallowing, every evening swallowing. I want you to pay attention. This video is for you. Don't say that nobody revealed this secret to you. What you need is just simple two things. And what is that you need? Look at it here. This is called abamoda in Yoruba. It is called odaopu in Igbo, and people call it leaf of life or miracle leaf. This is what you need. And honey, original organic honey. This odaopu is everywhere. Look at it showing on the screen. You can plant it at the back of your house, making use of ash pot or plastics or whatsoever. Use anything that your hand can get. Put sand on it and plant it everywhere. It doesn't die. Plant it. It is very, very powerful. Now, what are you going to do? Come with me. Drop this thing in your hand, in your palm like this. As you drop it in your palm like this, pick one of these like this. Do it this way. You see it? Show it. You see it? You see it? Depending on the size of the leaf, if the leaf is very big, wide, you can get 2, but mine is not too wide. That's why you see me making use of 4. Do it every morning on empty stomach. Do it and check. Go to the doctor and check. And because you are doing this does not mean you should not go for your routine checkups. Always go for your routine checkups.